it's the special alloy bodied one, the X350
Yeah.
model number. It is. This one has done 129,000 miles, full service history. I think I'm the third owner from memory.
And what colour is it?
It's peculiar. You remember the silver one I had?
Yeah.
Same size engine, but this is a lot more pokey, a lot more oomph with it.
Baz, what colour is it?
Well, I think it's squadron blue.
I mean, it
I
is.
could be wrong there, but to me it looks like a squadron blue.
Yeah, and
Look at those wheels. Get the wheels.
yeah, we'll get a shot of the wheels. Just do a quick.
Turbine, I think, or something
Yeah.
like that. I don't know.
Okay, so I'll tell
It's
you.
the nicest one I've had. This.
Always Baz, because we normally look at all of the alloys.
Yeah.
So yeah, look, we've not curbed these or all that.
They're original.
Very original. So what's
Not
that?
been restored, but they've never been curbed.
Yeah, and these are 235
You see the size
50.
of the tyre? I
18.
think they're 325s, aren't they?
Yeah, 235. Yeah, 235. Yeah.
235.
So look at the alloys. Do you know, Baz, if I had the space and I had some spare cash, I would take this off your. I'll take this off your hands, you know. But and I remember, you know, guys, driving.
It's for sale, obviously.
Yeah. But driving in this Baz, this one has actually got a lot more poke than the last one. It's really nippy, really a lot quicker. Because was it remapped or something? I don't know.
I
But
think it's been remapped. It must have been.
but it flies. I thought it was a V8. So look at those gorgeous style alloys. Right.
The clunk test.
Yeah, let's do the clunk test.
Here we go. Ready?
Yep. Solid.
And the rear
Dog
door.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah, go on. Yeah, if you want to do rear door, Baz.
Fabulous.
Nice.
Where they always go is on the bolts there. Have a look at the bolts on there.
So
See, it's done 129,000 miles, but the guy who had it must have been wearing a suit, not jeans, because there's no. Just look at that.
yeah, look at that.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, it's got a lovely smell. Like it's
You know,
hard to.
sometimes I just go sit in the car and play me rock and roll and smell the wood and leather.
Yeah. But Baz, you go on. Why don't you show us the different features of a car? So look at this. Look at this dash.
Well, yeah. What's nice about this? Well, this when you I don't know whether it'll do it now. But yeah, it's already done. The seat will automatically go to what you want without touching anything once you've set it. See, look at that. Can you see it?
Oh, nice. Yeah.
It moves.
Yeah.
So you can get out without banging your knee on it. Extra. It's got a removable steering wheel, obviously, which is electric. Steering wheel moves up and down, etc. All electric seats. And if I close the door and put the ignition in, you'll see it just moves up again. See?
Oh, nice.
It's fantastic, you know.
And I've always been a fan of this dash, the Spitfire inspired dash. You know, because you know this is like
It is an
the
aeroplane
wing
cockpit, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, look at the dials, man. It's
Yeah.
like.
And I like the analog clock as well.
Yeah,
you know,
I prefer analog
it's
to
lovely.
digital.
And the little Jaguar name is in the middle of it, which is nice. You see it?
Okay, so this is inside the Jag. This is the driver view. Look at those 3 dials. So you've got the rev counter, speedometer, and then fuel and temperature readings. And the way it's done beautifully here. They're recessed, so only the driver can view them. Like it's a privilege that only the driver's got access to this information. Got a beautifully designed steering wheel with half wood. And this is a beautiful brown colour, and it really kind of set off nicely against the rest of the car. So this is like a dark midnight blue, and this cream and brown leather interior. So I think this is one of my favourite Jags from all the ones we've reviewed with Baz. This shape, because it's big enough to have enough space, and you feel like you've got a very good driving position. Look at that clock there, the Jaguar clock. We've got the vents, and this is a Spitfire inspired dash. This dashboard is inspired by the Spitfire, the Merlin Spitfire, and it's specifically the wing, because if you look, it looks like the end of a wing. So we have a J gate here, And I think as a driver, this is a very good position, and it's quite sporty, but it's not too low down, this one. We've got armrest here, and it actually goes there to reveal storage of items, electric brake, and yeah, I like this actually. I like this position. The seats are very comfortable as well. Plenty of support.
Yeah, you better play that back, see where we're up to.
So yeah, Bess, we're just looking at the vents. Look at how detailed these are.
Yeah.
You've got the small knurling there. They've got like a loud bird, that isn't it? In the background.
What's that noise?
It's like some bird. We've got like this knurling on the design of the vent thing there. Yeah, so there's little details like that. And look at this. This is all leather, all full leather there for the back pocket. Nice.
That's about it, really.
Yeah, that's it.